Hello first class, get ready for today's EVS class. Students, as you know we are doing block 11, living and non-living things. And in the last 3 classes we have learned that living things need food and living things grow, move on their own, breathe and have babies. And in today's class we will learn why a thing is living or non-living. I hope it is clear to you all. Now please open your worksheet as for living and non-living. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंप्लीट द टेबल. सो हम इस टेबल को कंप्लीट करेंगे. थिंग है सॉइल. डज इट मूव ऑन इट्स ओन? नो. डज इट नीड फूड? नो. डज इट ग्रो? नो, सॉइल डज नॉट ग्रो. डज इट ब्रीथ? नो, सॉइल डज नॉट ब्रीथ. Does it have babies? No, soil does not have baby. So soil is non-living thing. Is it a living or non-living thing? Non-living things. Tree. Does it move on its own? क्या ट्री खुद से मूव करता है? Yes, खुद से ही मूव करता है. कोई उसको मूव थोड़ी कराता है जब वो ग्रो करता है तो. Does it need food? Yes, it need sunlight, air, water to make its food. Does it grow? Yes, grows. Does it breathe? Yes, it breathes. Does it have babies? Yes, seeds have their babies. हम देखते हैं ना जब भी कोई ट्री होता है जैसे कि मैंगो ट्री, बट हम जब मैंगो को ईट कर लेते हैं दैन मैंगो से एक सीड निकलता है एंड दैट इज़ द बेबी ऑफ अ मैंगो ट्री. सो मैंगो ट्री इज़ लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग? लिविंग. ट्री मैंगो सो ट्री आर लिविंग थिंग. Duck. Yes, duck move on its own. Duck need food. Does duck grow? Yes, duck grow. Duck breathe also. Ducks have babies. So it is also a living thing. Next one is cycle. No, cycle does not move on its own. हम उसके जब जो भी वो उसके व्हील्स होते हैं हम उसको चलाएंगे तभी तो वो मूव करेगी ना. Food? No, cycle need no food. Cycle does not grow. Does it breathe? No, it does not breathe. Does it have babies? No, it does not have babies. So it is non-living thing. I hope it is clear to you all. Now students, tell me which things are living and which are non-living in this question. Yes. So duck and trees are living things. Soil and bicycle are non-living things because soil and cycle does not move on its own, do not need food, do not grow and do not breathe and they do not have babies. Clear? Now students, tell me, how do you know if a thing is living or non-living? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. If a thing grows, reproduces, need foods, breathes and can move on its own, it is a living thing. अगर ये थिंग वो कर रही है, वो थिंग जैसे कि ग्रो कर रही है, रिप्रोड्यूस कर रही है, उसको फूड की नीड है ग्रो करने के लिए, ब्रीथ करती है और वो खुद से मूव कर रही है तो वो एक लिविंग थिंग है. वी कैन चेक इफ़ अ लिविंग थिंग डज एनी ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. अगर लिविंग थिंग कोई भी इनमें से एक थिंग कर रही है देन वी नो इट इज़ अ living thing. For example, let us take a dog. If the answer to any of these question is yes, अगर हम इस कॉलम में डॉग को ऐड कर देंगे तो अगर डॉग की सिचुएशन में ये सारे आंसर आ रहे हैं या कोई भी एक दो आंसर आ रहे हैं देन डॉग इज़ अ लिविंग थिंग. देन वी नो दैट अ डॉग इज़ अ लिविंग थिंग. In the case of a butterfly, although we cannot see it breathing, but we can see it moving on its own and needing food and also having babies. So we know that butterflies are living thing. I hope you understand that. Students, do you know, do all living things feel? Let's discuss. Students, all living things feel. We feel pain and ticklish when someone pinches or tickles us. जब भी कोई हमें पिंच करता है या फिर कोई हमें ज़ोर ज़ोर से गुदगुदी करता है तो हमें फील होता है वो. Animals can also feel things. Plants also feel. There is a plant called touch me not which closes its leaves when we touch it. अगर हम इसकी leaves को touch करते हैं तो अपनी leaves को close कर लेता है. I hope you understand that. So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, are all things natural or do we make them? क्या सारे things natural होती हैं या फिर हम उन्हें make करते हैं? Why do you think so? Let's discuss. Things can be natural or man-made. Living things are always natural. Living things जितनी भी होंगी वो natural ही होंगी. Non-living things like living things are always natural. Non-living things like water, soil and hills are natural. कुछ non-living things है जैसे कि water है, soil है और hills हैं वो natural हैं. Whereas non-living things like car, book and bowl are made by us. ये non living things है जिनको हमने बनाया है. Things that we make are called man made things. जिन things को हम बनाते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Man made things. I hope you understand that. Now students, please open your content book of EVS lesson number 4, non living things. Let's start reading. All non living things are either man made or found in nature. Some examples of man-made non-living things are pencils, books and cars. So जो non-living things हैं वो या तो natural होती हैं तो हमें नेचर में ही मिलती है जैसे कि water हो गया, hills हो गई, या फिर man उन्हें बनाते हैं, human being उन्हें बनाते हैं. Man-made जो living things है वो कैसी, जैसे कि pencil, books and cars. Some examples of natural non-living things are water, sand and mountains. You can see in the picture water, sand and mountains. I hope lesson is clear to you all. Now please open your worksheet S4. This question is completed in our lesson plan. ये हमारे lesson plan के बीच में ही complete हो चुका है ये question. Next question is question number 2. Is a chair लिविंग और अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग? वाई? क्या ये जो चेयर है वो लिविंग है या फिर नॉन लिविंग है? स्टूडेंट्स, चेयर इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग बिकॉज इट डज नॉट मूव ऑन इट्स ओन, इट डज नॉट नीड फूड एंड इट डज नॉट ग्रो एंड इट डज नॉट ब्रीथ एंड चेयर डज नॉट हैव बेबी. सो चेयर इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. Students, you have to complete this worksheet. Now you have to complete practice question number 7. Write the name of 5 non-living things that are man-made and 5 that are natural. आपको 5 natural non-living things के नेम राइट करने हैं और 5 man-made non-living things के आपको नेम राइट करने हैं. Man-made things जैसे कि पेन, पेंसिल, बुक, चेयर, and natural like water, like ocean, mountain, hills, stone. Clear? Next question is question number 8. Why do only living things need food and non-living things do not need food? Students, living things grow and living things need food. Living things need food to grow and to be healthy. And non-living things do not food because they do not grow. I hope homework is clear to you all. So you have to complete practice question number 7 and 8. Thank you everyone for watching this video.